The SpaceMouse features an intuitive 3D controller cap that enables a seamless and immersive navigation. Enjoy simultaneous movement on different axes, enabling a precise inspection of any details and minimizing design errors through real-time feedback. Effortlessly inspect models from every angle using quick view buttons, allowing a better understanding of your model as you change perspectives. Use keyboard modifiers to minimize hand movement and reduce the constant switching between mouse and keyboard. Accelerate your workflow with the programmable function buttons, whether using the preset Inventor commands or mapping your preferred commands for immediate access. From sketching to assembly, simulation, and more, take advantage of the programmable buttons that recognize your environment automatically and provide environment-specific commands. Discover the SpaceMouse product line now.